Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino, and today we will be looking at the dots on a die and then drawing them. For this activity, you will need a whiteboard marker, and an eraser. The more we work with dice dots, the easier it gets to see the number on a die without even counting. So, let's get learning! Let's begin with a dice dot warm-up. You will see some dots for a very short time. Once I do this, then you need to say what number they show. Are you ready? Let's go! 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 4. Great job! Well, today we'll be practicing drawing lots of dice formations. I'll show you what to draw step by step. So make sure you watch me first and then it will be your turn to draw. Okay, let's start. Seeing as we're going to be drawing lots of dice faces, we'll need to draw a nice big square in the middle of our whiteboard. Watch me as I draw mine first. A nice big square on my board. We need 4 equal sides to make a square. Off you go. Now you draw your big square. We need 4 equal sides to make a square. Make it nice and big. Well, now that we have our square face, let's draw some dots. Let's start with this one. What number is that? Yes, number 1. And where's the dot? Right in the middle. Watch as I draw this dot formation. We need to find the middle and then draw the dot. Okay, it's your turn now. Are you ready to show the number 1 on your whiteboards? Okay, boards up on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Okay everybody, boards down, because now we need to keep the square on our whiteboard and erase only the dot. That way we'll be ready to draw our next dots. Let's go! I'm only erasing the dot. I'm going to keep the square for our next dice. Okay, now let's look at our next number. And it is the number 2. Let's count them. 1, 2. We need to draw these dots now. 1 dot in the top corner and 1 dot in the bottom corner. Watch me first. 1 dot in the top corner and 1 dot in the bottom corner. Now you have a turn at drawing these dots. Remember, we need 1 dot in the top corner and 1 dot in the bottom corner. Once you're done, count them to check you've got the right number. Have you drawn your 2 dots? Okay, get ready to hold up your boards on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! Okay everyone, just like last time, let's erase only the dots, but keep the square. Let's go. Okay, the next number we can see is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 dot in the top corner, 1 dot in the middle, and 1 dot in the bottom corner. Watch me as I draw. 1 dot in the top corner, 1 dot in the middle, and 1 dot in the bottom corner. Now it's your turn to draw the number 3. Remember, 1 dot in the top corner, 1 dot in the middle, and 1 dot in the bottom corner, making a diagonal line. Once you've drawn them, count them to check you have 3. How did you go? Are you ready to hold up your boards? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great. All right, you know what to do next. Boards down and let's erase the dots only. Let's go. Okay, what number can you see now? It's the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 dot in each corner. Watch me as I draw these 4 dots. One dot in each corner. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now it's your turn to draw 4 on your dice face. Remember to draw 1 dot in each corner, and once you're done, count them to make sure there are 4. Have you drawn your number 4? Okay, get those whiteboards ready. Hold them up on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent! Okay, whiteboards down. You know what's next. Let's erase the dots. Okay, time for our next number. And the number is the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1 dot in each corner and then 1 dot in the middle. Watch me as I draw 5. I'll draw 1 dot in each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 dot in the middle. 5. Now you have a go at drawing 5. Remember, we need 1 in each corner and then 1 in the middle. Once you're done, count them to check you have 5. How did you go, everyone? Okay, get ready to hold up your boards. 1, 2, 3. Looking great. All right, whiteboards down and let's wipe off the dots. Okay, we have come to the biggest number on the die, and that number is the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 1, 2, 3 dots on one side and 1, 2, 3 dots on the other. Watch me as I draw 6 on my square. So I'm going to draw 3 dots on one side. 1, 2, 3, and 3 dots on the other side. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, everyone, now it's your turn to draw 6 on your square. Remember to draw 3 dots on one side and then 3 dots on the other, just like that. And once you're done, count them to check there are 6. Have you drawn your 6 dots? Well, now it's time to hold up our whiteboards one last time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job, everyone. Well, now put your whiteboards down, and this time we are going to wipe off the whole board. Let's clear the dots and the square. Let's do it. Well, now that we have learned how to draw the dots on a die, find some time to practice drawing them yourself. You could roll a die and then draw the dots that you see on a whiteboard, on a piece of paper. Maybe you could use some chalk and draw the dice dots on a pavement, or even in some sand. Enjoy drawing dice dots, everyone. Happy learning, and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.